The car.
The drone.
The windmill.
The catapult.
Electricity.
All of these inventions pushed the world forward.
Some of them brought us closer together.
Some helped us learn about the world around us.
Others taught us about ourselves. At I Can Make It Camp 2.0, we learned to do things we didn't know we were capable of.
We faced our fears.
Sometimes we triumphed.
Sometimes we made mistakes.
With experiences like these empowering us to build smarter,
Work harder.
And be a better team.
there's only one question. What will we build?
We learned about manufacturing, engineering, and teamwork at I Can Make It Camp 2.0.
We made new friends.
We learned important lessons.
And we gained new role models.
And even though the week is over,
The memories won't fade.
So don't miss your chance to take part in I Can Make It Camp 2.0. Give us a call and sign up today.